Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observation. Good day, my little scientists, and welcome back to another episode of Science Zone with Miss Taffe. Now, today we will be investigating about biotic and abiotic relationships in our environment. But before we start to explore, let us first get to know what is biotic and abiotic. We can also say biotic and abiotic factors. Now, biotic factors are the living components in an ecosystem. It is a living thing that has an impact on another population of living things or on the environment. Biotic factors include plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and even us as humans. While abiotic factors are the non-living components in an ecosystem, such as the sun, the wind, water, and the soil. In today's segment of I Spy, we will be looking around in our environment for biotic and abiotic factors so that we can get to know the relationship between them. Let us begin. I spy, I spy, I spy. What do you spy? If you spy and said a plant and soil, then you are correct. Now, if we look closely in this footage, we can see a plant and soil. The plant is the biotic factor and the soil is the abiotic factor. The plant and soil shares a mutualistic relationship in the environment as they both interact and depend on each other. The soil helps to anchor the plant, allowing it to stay upright, and provides it with essential elements of water and nutrients, while the plant provides the soil with organic matter, which the soil uses in return to provide the plants with nutrients. Now, scientists, let us note briefly that plants also helps to prevent soil erosion as the roots of plants hold the soil in position and prevent it from being washed away. Now, let us see what other biotic and abiotic factors that we can identify in our environment. Oh, look! I spy, I spy! If you said a bee and a flower, then you are correct. If you look closely in this picture, you can see a bee inside of a Chinese violet flower. Now, if you also look closely again in this video clippage, you can see a bee buzzing around a Chinese violet flower. Now, bees and flowering plants have a mutualistic relationship where both species benefit. The flower provides the bee with nectar and pollen, which the bee collects to feed its entire colony, while the bee provides the flower with the means to reproduce by spreading pollen from flower to flower in a process called pollination. So in this mutualistic relationship, the bee gets to eat and the flowering plant gets to reproduce. We have finally come to the end of our investigation today, and I'm pretty sure that you can conclude on a variety of questions that you had before watching this video. Now remember, in being a good scientist, we must always keep records of the findings from our observations. So answer these reflective questions as a guide to record your findings in today's exploration activity. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on another episode of Science Zone with Miss Taffe. Until next time, bye!